Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to blur your background in Zoom Workplace step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. After the meeting starts, click the small arrow next to the video button. From the menu, select Backgrounds and Effects. The Backgrounds panel will open on the right side of the screen. Here you will see the blur option. Normally, you can click blur to blur the background behind you and keep the main subject in focus. This feature is useful for online meetings, classes, interviews, and presentations because it helps hide distractions in the background. In my case, the blur option is available, but it is not working because my computer does not have a camera connected. Zoom can show the background options, but the blur effect may not work without a webcam. If you have a webcam connected to your computer, simply click the blur option and the background will become blurred immediately. If the blur option is not working on your computer, make sure a camera is connected and Zoom Workplace is updated to the latest version. You can also try selecting another virtual background from the Backgrounds panel. After enabling blur, simply close the Backgrounds and Effects panel. The blurred background will remain active during the meeting if your camera supports the feature. That's how you can blur your background in Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.